In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in Metro 2033 Redux. Check my video description for this save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR and navigate to Documents for a Games Metro 2033 and this is your game progress. Back up your game progress before dropping this save. Create a new folder called Backup and drag and drop your game progress inside. Drag and drop the 100% save file in this location and launch the game. Once you are in game, go to chapters and choose the chapter. Chapters unlocked. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna load this Death City chapter. The save file is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.